Hello everyone. Today's video is not about traveling, but I find it important to share with you. Yesterday afternoon, I heard a conversation between my opposite neighbor with my husband. It was over a dirty doormat by the entrance of our apartments. It is a shared doormat of 4 apartments. According to the lady neighbor opposite us, it was caused by the dog that is owned by the other neighbor above us. But when she approached her, requesting her to clean it, the owner of the dog did not want to admit that it was from her dog. It was ridiculous. I mean, none of 3 of us owns a cat or a dog. And everybody knows that only one neighbor owns it. And the many hairs, light brown furs, stick on that doormat are obviously the furs of a dog. The same color of the dog we every time see in and out following the owner. They are not humans' hair. Our opposite neighbor was very upset, of course. She then reported the case to the resident community center, but nothing changed. After 2 weeks, even after 4 weeks, when we are already back from our holiday, so I told her that it was a very small problem. We can settle it easily. So I do this spending less than 10 minutes and it's settled. Here's the things I use to clean this doormat are very simple. They are white Scotch tape, a cutter, and a pair of hand gloves. Just cut several of them about 30 to 40 centimeters length and then stick the tape onto the mat. Because it has the glue on it, right? So the fur and dirt are easily stick on it. So friends, there's no choice if we happen to have irresponsible or unreasonable people around us. It's not worth our lives to always fighting about small problems with them. Life is too short to spend for small things. The Germans always say, so is das Leben. That's life. And we also shared the staircase to the entrance and basement, so we take turns to clean it too. I'm glad to see our doormat has transformed into a clean doormat. I hope this video is useful for those who have a dirty doormat. Thanks for watching. Be kind and have a great day. Bye.